Anna. Hello, everyone. The podcast. Do you know what you can learn through the supermarket in a natural way? Step by step.
Hey, great to be here today. If you are new to our channel, welcome. And if you are back again, welcome back. We are so happy you are here.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. And today we have a really fun and useful lesson for you.
That's right. Today we are talking about grocery shopping. We are going to practice vocabulary, pronunciation, and how to ask for help at the supermarket.
This is perfect for everyday life. Whether you live in an English-speaking country or you are just preparing for a trip, this lesson will help you feel ready.
So grab a notebook, find a quiet place, and please say the words out loud with us. Speaking is the best way to improve.
Let's start. Anna, what's our first word today?
Okay, let's begin with some basic food items. I'll say each word slowly, and Mike will repeat it. Then you repeat too.
Ready? Let's go.
Apples. Apples. Anna. Bananas.
Bananas.
Oranges. Be careful. It's oranges, not oranges.
Oranges. Good tip, Anna.
Milk.
Milk.
Anna. Bread.
Bread.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Anna. Rice.
Rice.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Tomatoes. This one is fun. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. I love that one.
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Anna. Yogurt. In American English, we say yogurt.
Yogurt. Got it.
And water. Simple but important. Water.
Water. Beautiful. Okay, everyone, how did you do? Say those words one more time with us. Apples. Bananas. Oranges. Milk. Bread. Eggs. Cheese. Rice. Chicken. Tomatoes. Potatoes. Carrots. Yogurt. Water.
Perfect! Now, let's go to the supermarket. Mike, are you ready for our role play?
I am so ready. I love role play practice. Okay, I am a customer and Anna, you are a store employee.
Let's go.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for yogurt. Where can I find it?
Yogurt is in aisle 5, near the milk and cheese.
Oh, great.
In which aisle is the bread in? Bread is in aisle 2, on the left side.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
And scene. That was so natural, right?
Right. And listeners, did you catch those key phrases? Let's go through them together. First, excuse me. Can you help me? Say it with me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Anna. Great. Next, I'm looking for. For example, I'm looking for eggs. I'm looking for chicken. I'm looking for carrots. Now you try. I'm looking for. Say your favorite food item. Go ahead. Next phrase. Where can I find it? Or you can ask, which aisle is it in?
Which aisle is it in? That's a very useful question at any supermarket.
And always remember to say, thank you for your help. It's polite, and it sounds great.
And the reply is, you're welcome. Simple and friendly.
Now, let's do a quick challenge. Mike, I'm going to name a food, and you use one of our phrases in a sentence. Ready?
Ready.
Bananas.
I'm looking for bananas. Which aisle are they in?
Anna. Milk.
Excuse me. Where can I find the milk?
Chicken.
Can you help me?
I'm looking for chicken.
Excellent. Listeners, try this too. Pick any food from our list today and make your own sentence using one of the phrases. Practice it out loud. Even if you make a small mistake, that is completely okay. Mistakes help you learn faster. We really believe that. There are no perfect speakers, only confident ones. Let's do a quick summary. Today we learned how to pronounce common food items like apples, bananas, oranges, milk, bread, eggs, cheese, rice, chicken, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, yogurt, and water. And we practiced useful grocery store phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for... Where can I find it? Which aisle is it in? Thank you for your help. And you're welcome.
These are phrases you can use right away. Today, this week, next time you go shopping.
Thank you so much for listening to StartSpeak English today. You did a wonderful job.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
We make new lessons every week, so come back soon. We will be here waiting for you.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep growing.
See you next time on StartSpeak English. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.